Good morning. It is Monday. I'm just on my cycle into the studio. It's actually really lovely today, really warm, so I don't have my jacket on. We've got a busy day today of finalising pieces that are going into my Stockist, and I'm going to show you some new bits that I've been working on. So yeah, once we get in, we can go through all of that. Yeah, but this seems like it's going to be a nice cycle in, and I will catch you in a sec. Okay, so just in the studio, and I've set up my backdrop. So I've got two different things to do. The first thing is the summer collection. I have to get ready and decide which pieces are going into my Stockist. Generally, what I'll do with a collection, because everything is one of a kind, I will design the full collection, and then roughly around half of it goes into my Stockist, and then the rest goes online. So I'm getting everything ready for the Stockist. I want to shoot the product on the backdrop because I always have to do like a list of what's going into the shop to go along with that. So that's what we're going to do. The other thing I want to shoot is my new collection of pieces that I have been making. I think in the last video I showed you I was working on this one, which I really love. So new pieces that I will be shooting, and I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of, let's see, I think it kind of works to just hook them there. It's not ideal. Maybe I'll get a little bit of string and hang that down actually. Okay, I think that's how I will shoot. I will just put the piece so I think that's how I will do it. Okay, here's one of the dresses. This is from my summer collection. I really like this piece. It's kind of got a gathered scoop neck, big billow sleeves, and kind of like a drop arm. It's kind of like a mini piece. I've got this dress which needs a steam. I'm gonna have to steam that now. We've got that lovely top. We have this collared top, and then I'm gonna give one of my oversized bags. So there are some of the pieces that are going in. Here is the final collection that is going into my Stockist. I'll talk you through each piece, but I'm quite happy with the selection that I've made. I think there's a nice amount on the rail. You don't want to really overpower the rail, but yeah, I'm happy with what I've chosen. I'm going to talk you through the collection now. The studio light is quite bright at the moment with the sun. My beautiful glitter ball glittering away. It's always nice before each piece goes into the Stockist to kind of show you, because they are all one of one, so when they're gone, they're gone. So yeah, let's go through all the pieces I've selected for my Stockist. And as I said before, I think this is a nice amount for the rail. Her rails are kind of around 1 meter long, around 1 meter in width as well. So this, I think this is a nice amount to sit on the rail. And then throughout the summer, I can always like replenish if needed. So first piece is this top from, this is all my summer collection. So first piece is this top. All of these designs are screen printed on this peach fabric, and it's kind of this purple butterfly and bow, and then this is like a collage that I put together of lots of really fun things like butterflies and swirlies and little shooting stars and cats with bags. And then this has a kind of a ruffly neckline, and it has a kind of button up situation at the back, and then the sleeves are gathered with puff sleeves. So it is a cropped piece, and it is kind of designed and styled to go with the little ruffle skirts that I made for these collection. These are 2-tiered mini ruffle skirts. I usually just do like one tier, so this was kind of a new style for me, and there's a bit more work involved, I suppose, in doing this, but I really like how it turned out. So I think styled together, they're good fun, and I have one of these mini skirts that I'm going to give into my Stockist, and this crop. And then in the same fabric, I have this dress. I'm really sorry about the sun. I hope that the sun goes in a minute, but I've been waiting to film this for so long that I'm just gonna power through. But yeah, this is a kind of a very long piece, but again, a ruffle at the end, and it's got these sheer sleeves, and it's just kind of a flowy piece with a scoop gathered neck. And it's very easy and kind of casual to wear, and I think it's really fun. So that is another piece that is in the collection. One of my weekend kind of fits everything bags, great for travel. I've done them with long handles. They would look kind of cute with short handles, but I think practically they're good that you can just throw them on your shoulder, but these can kind of fit a good bit in. And it's this kind of 70s candlewick fabric. If you've seen my work before, you'll know that I kind of add these little loops onto everything, so you can add your own charms and attach them in there. So that loop there you can attach. So I've just added that charm onto that loop there. But yeah, so I'm giving in one. I actually have one of these on my website already, so if you are interested, there is already one of these up for sale. I think I had enough for 3 or 4 of them. Then I have this dress, which is a kind of a peach dress with this neon pink screen print. I actually need to steam this piece before I gave it in. But yeah, again, it has that collage print at the front, and this is a print that I made up for the summer collection, kind of with all this Be My Valentine and some of my necklaces and stuff on it that you can see me wearing now. So it's quite a fun piece. Like that necklace there is my brooch one that I wear all the time. So yeah, that has a Peter Pan collar, some rhinestone embellishment detail here. Next piece is one of my oversized collars. These still sell really well, so I always have them in the shop. And this has like a butterfly baby pink print, and this really lovely fun ruffle lace detail. I have vintage fabric, of course, and it's got a rounded back. So I'm just going to give one into my Stockist, and I can always replenish. I've shown you that skirt. Next piece is another long dress similar to the peach one, same print and same kind of idea with the prints on the sleeves. This is in a kind of more greeny mint green fabric, and it still has the neon print here, and again it has a Peter Pan collar with this kind of rose rhinestone embellishment detail, which is so gorgeous in the sun. And then next piece is one of the bags from that collection. Is kind of like half moon shaped bag with this fun charm that comes along with it and bow tie detail. I'm actually going to add another bow tie, I think, into it as well before we send it off. So really love that piece. And finally, another cropped t-shirt with the butterfly and bow design, and then the collage print there, and Peter Pan collar with a rhinestone butterfly. These sleeves are wide rather than puff sleeves. And there is all the collage detail. So if you watched my Dublin Fashion Week vlogs, you'll see that I launched my summer collection there, and I did like a full show with models, so you can see all those pieces styled if you want to go watch that video. Yeah, that is the full collection. So I have a few things to do now. I need to make sure everything has the label, make sure everything's tagged, get it all steamed. Everything needs to be photographed so that I have a list to hand in to my Stockist, and then we're ready to go. I'm hoping to get it in maybe by Thursday. It's Monday today, so we'll see how we get on. Okay, I'm just getting back to rearranging because I've got such little space. So that is collection going into Omdiva, and my pattern pieces, and then this is all new collection, which I'm not going to show you right now, but I will be photographing soon, and these pieces will all be online, so definitely stay tuned for that. These pieces here, and I've got like loads more that I'm working on at the moment. Full collection of dresses and tops all one of a kind, very excited. And these pieces then are more working towards my bridal collection. My jeans, I still need to get these jeans online. I'm really sorry that they have not been online yet, but I will launch them very soon. I just need to get all the photographs taken. There's so much stuff up here as well. I'm trying to organize all these dresses. Some of them are bridal dresses. Some pieces like this are more like archives that go out on loan to stylists. They've been worn a few times, so they're part of my archive. Maybe at some stage I might do like a sample sale for archive, but for now they stay there. All the bags, these other bags still need to go online as well. God, I've got so much. And then these are pieces back from summer collection last year, so they will be photographed at some stage and put online. But for now, all those kind of short pieces will go up here. I just need to grab my chair. And then I also have a full bag here of pieces that I have washed. So they all need to be steamed and then put on hangers. A lot of this is new collection too, so that will be online at some stage. These cute little shorts are from summer collection last year. The jacket sold, but I still have the shorts. And again, I think I just hold on to them for styling because they're quite fun. So it is pretty chaotic in here and I need everything to be clean to feel like I can work properly. So yeah, I need to just get everything cleaned up and then we'll catch back up. So I've just made some extra ribbon strips and I'm going to add these onto the bag just to kind of, I don't know, make it a bit more exciting, because when I made the bags, let me show you. I made these bags for my summer collection, but I was in a rush because I only had a few days, so I didn't really finalize them. So what I want to do is I want to add more ribbons either side, which means there's way more security for the bag. But also it'll look really cute with like way more ribbons, I think. Yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to add them. It's getting late now, so I think I'll do that in the morning. So we will catch back up tomorrow morning. Good morning. It is Tuesday. So today I'm still working through getting the collection ready. I've actually completely disassembled this bag that I was making because I want to put a zip into it. So I'm kind of working through that to add a zip in so that I'm kind of way more happy with that piece before I give it into my stockist. So I want to get that finished today. And then later on this evening, I am speaking on a panel at UCD, which is a university college in Dublin. I'll leave the panel details here, and it's all kind of about sustainable fashion. I think I've been to UCD campus like once or twice, and I'm actually there with my friend Rian, Anora and Megan McGuigan, who you might have seen before in my Dublin Fashion Week videos. They're two of the designers that helped set up Dublin Fashion Week. Rian runs her brand Rian Anora, which I will leave here. She makes incredible fashion and she also does loads of styling. She always styles that band Bird that wear a lot of my pieces. So that's Rian. And then Megan has two brands. She has Seeking Judy, which is an amazing Irish streetwear brand, and then she also has Solstice by Seeking Judy, which is her background is fashion and knitwear. So this brand is using like upcycled or like really high quality yarns and wool to create these like amazing one of a kind pieces. And you can actually check out her show at Dublin Fashion Week. I have a whole vlog about that you can go and watch. So that's later on today. So we'll decide what to wear before we leave. But yeah, for the rest of the day, I'm just getting on with making that bag. And then by the time that's done, I think I'll probably have to leave anyway. So that's my plan. I'm gonna have my coffee and get on with it. So I will catch you in a bit.
To counter, well, they have pretty much turned their entire campaign into one.
Okay, this is the moment of truth. Have I made this right? Because I have not done this before. Okay. Yes. There is now a zip on the bag. And the lining the inside. I've added all of my ribbons. I just need to add back on the handles. Okay, I'll show you in a minute. The time today has just absolutely flown, but here's what I'm wearing. I'm going to wear this is a skirt from, I don't know how many collections ago, maybe 2 years ago, I think. Same jumper that I have on, with my Nike Shocks on, my favourite shoes. And that is the finished bag as well. I might show you properly again tomorrow. Let me quickly show you that. Yeah, really happy with how this turned out. It can be worn like as a crossbody or as a bag. It's got an adjustable piece there, but I'm really happy how that turned out. Okay, I gotta run, go meet the girls and make our way over to UCD. So I will try and film what I can when I'm there. Okay.
Just heading into our panel.
This is space. Amazing.